Just sort of hanging on to a cable.
It'll be quick, it'll be quick.
No, never did. The thing I hate is when we get a little bit closer to the... It seems okay here, but then when you get closer to the pillar, it suddenly makes it seem a lot more real, because then you're just like, okay, but, oh wow, look at that down there. It's like a little, called the Oiler bar. Must be like an old oil.
Oh, it's getting a bit shaky.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh, what? Oh, yeah, oiler bar.
There's a lot of stuff
Old
up
oil
there.
rig.
Somewhere we'll see these on the airport. From somewhere, from where?
Are you shaking a lot?
It does seem to be shaking a fair amount.
I'm actually a bit scared, to be honest.
Concentrate on where your camera's pointing.
Yeah, I hope we get off this alive.
That would be a bonus.
Yeah, Brucey bonus, we don't die. Oh look, the DLR right below us there.
Oh well, you have to crash on top of that to really
Yeah,
get
the deal out.
And here we go, we're right next to the pilot. Oh, good. I don't like it vibrating like that.
It does, yeah, I guess you're quite high up in the air. It's a windy day, isn't it? But then they've got very strong arms and it's a very strong cable, so...
And, yeah. And it's a relatively strong thing in
just
general.
videoing the D straight ahead of you and then you
I'm just videoing the D
speed it
straight
up.
ahead. Yeah, and I might speed it ahead for a YouTube shot.
Yeah, look at the view.
And then wait for it,
Warps.
and then a minute we'll hear a chonk 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 chonk.
Where's the shard?
Oh my god! Oh my god, chonk 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 chonk. We're on the, oh god, it dangles!
Yeah, it dips down, doesn't it? Dips down and comes back up again.
Yeah.
It dangles. The dangling on the London cable
You see the Uber boat down there?
Oh yeah.
It's mad, is that air conditioning? Oh no, it's not air conditioning, the windows are open.
Oh yeah! It's mad how I put air. Oh wait, the windows are open.
Yeah.
Collect at the retail desk. Create a memory. Create a memory flying on the Emirates Air Line cable car.
Where's the sun?
The London
Oh,
cable
yeah.
car.
It's gotta be this time of the day.
It's crazy how high we are. Can we see the
Yeah, that makes sense. We're coming back across the river, aren't we, from the north?
Southwest, yeah.
where's City Airport? Where's the O2?
So I'm trying to figure out which way you're going.
Airport's further up, isn't it?
Southwest.
Southwest.
Gotta be east-ish.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
that
up
must be
there.
down this way. Somewhere.
It's just over there.
You see it?
Or a yellow crane or something.
Is it?
That'll be roughly, yeah. I'm sure we saw it before.
I'm sure there's a window. The door's parted.
Is that over there? Way over there.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Oh, I think this is one of the peaks.
This is the scary bit because you just start dropping straight down. Look how sharp.
Fast here as well.
How sharp the environment. I think this was the bit that I was a bit freaked out on the first time because we went the other way, so we went up.
This is climbing up and up.
Yeah, going
Oh
up.
wait, jump.
Going up is a lot harder.
It's like a roller coaster.
The brakes on.
Yeah, we're literally that tilting. Well, we can have bus station. That's new, isn't it?
I wonder if they leave the windows open to allow through breeze to almost, rather than becoming an obstacle for the air, it lets the air through.
Could be.
I bet it goes faster. Yes. I mean, maybe.
Just drives it back down the bottom now.
Hello, piggers!
There's a big queue this side as well, actually.
Very fast!
Stop. Where's to get off, Freddie?